Packing hacks when traveling with a carry-on. Traveling to your favorite destination is a grand idea, but the packing part spells trouble. You've got a choice: check baggage or carry-on. If you can't figure out which one is best for you, these packing tips may help. The first thing you need to deal with is half of the whole problem. What is the right carry-on for you? This determines how many you can bring and how you'll proceed to the airport. There are rules about carry-on and baggage limits, and the more you bring, the more it'll cost you. When choosing a carry-on, here are the things you need to figure out. So dedicate time and effort here to spare yourself issues during the date of your flight. 1. Go for lightweight carry-ons because weight is the basis of your baggage in the airport. Heavier means eating your weight limit. Next is the durability of the carry-on. There are hard and soft versions, and each offers ups and downs. Hard carry-ons tend to be durable and can withstand rain, but soft versions are more flexible and won't crack easily. Zippers are not to be underestimated. Their sizes can tell you how long a bag will last, and those with bigger teeth usually last longer. Other extra factors to mind include a number of pockets, a safety lock feature, and the comfort of the handle when carried full of items. After beating the carry-on challenge, check your airline's requirements because you might get something more. Most airlines let you take one carry-on and one small personal item. This is where you maximize your limit without that extra charge. That small personal item can be a backpack or a tote bag. Small duffels can be acceptable if you're lucky. So take the time to check those requirements to avoid setbacks. With a carry-on and a small personal item, proceed to what your destination has to offer. Clothing means laundry, summer means sunscreen, and of course, hygiene means toiletries, which may or may not be free at the hotel. You can know these things if you know what you'll do there. An itinerary can serve as a guide. Another thing you should be aware of is liquids, gels, and similar items. According to the TSA, a quart-sized bag of liquids, aerosols, gels, creams, and pastes in your carry-on is allowed. If any of those cause an alarm, they'll receive extra screening. Can't organize the items in your carry-on? Use packing cubes. These are small fabric containers that separate items to help sort the inside of your carry-ons or bags. Once everything's set, never forget to weigh your bag before going to the airport. Do you prefer carry-ons when traveling? What item do you usually don't include in a carry-on? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Till our next video, thanks for watching.